Say hello to everyone. Hi everyone. We have a beautiful sunshine today. Let's go for a fly. Come on, Ruby. Juju, let's go for a fly. Here, Ruby. What's happening? Say hello. Hello. Ruby, say I love you. You never say anything on the camera. Come on. Hmm. Hmm. Ruby. Come on. Hello. Hello, beautiful. Come on, go for a fly. Go for a fly. Oh, not a big fly. Come on, the weather is good. Go. Exercise. You become fat. Sorry. No, you are not fat. Hmm. Come on. Let's go see the pond. Let's go see the lake. Come on. Juju. Juju. Ooh. Oh. And that's Ruby. Juju. 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 Where did you go? Ruby. I can't see you. Juju. Oh, you're here. Come. Come on, my friend. Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? How are you? Play on the ground. Play on the ground. Little bit of play on the ground. Juju. Where is Juju? Where is Juju? Here. Go on the tree. Go and sit on the tree. Oh, the raspberry is almost ready. We have tons of raspberry this year. We had lots of rain, that's why. These are all raspberries. Starting here. Here, my friend. Have some raspberry. Here. You're munching some raspberry in the shade. My spoiled kids don't like sunshine, they don't like rain, they don't like heat, they don't like cold. They like to be pampered. Tons of raspberry everywhere. They don't go to eat. I should cut the ripened one for them and handing to them. They are royal family. Juju, where are you? Can't see you. Juju's. Ah, okay, I heard you. Yeah, play. Juju is on top of one of these trees. We communicate by sound. I do not pretend they can understand my words, but they know when I shout, they should shout back to say I'm here. Right. Because of the rain, the pond is quite murky, but it's quite full. We have a couple of resident ducks. This year they had 11 children. 11 that I count, maybe more. Bye bye everyone.